Hey there, mind detectives. Welcome back to the channel where we crack the code of human behavior. Today's mission? Unleashing desire through the power of touch. That's right, we're diving deep into the world of seductive touches guaranteed to leave her speechless. Now, we all know physical intimacy is a crucial part of any relationship, but sometimes it can fall into a routine. But fear not, because a well-placed touch can transform a good connection into a passionate spark. So grab your metaphorical magnifying glass, because we're about to unveil the 9 most seductive touches that will have her craving more. Number 1, the gentle nipple caress. Now, this might sound simple, but it's all about thoughtful execution. Imagine soft, teasing strokes that gently press and release through her clothing. It builds anticipation and makes the eventual touch even more electrifying. Remember, it's a slow tease, not a grab. Think of it like a master chef building flavor. You wouldn't just dump all the spices in at once, would you? The same goes for touch. Start with a subtle hint, a whisper on her skin, then let the anticipation simmer. As you feel her responding, maybe a deepening breath or a slight shift in her posture, you can gradually increase the pressure. This delicate dance of touch and retreat builds a wave of desire that will leave her craving more when you finally reveal the full sensation. Number 2, the slow undress. This isn't about ripping clothes off in a hurry. It's a sensual ritual that shows you appreciate every inch of her. Savor the moment. Explore her skin with soft kisses and light touches. Make eye contact and let your focus solely be on her. Imagine the anticipation building as you slowly undo each piece, a symphony of touch and sight. Linger on the straps of her dress. Trace the curve of her shoulder with your thumb. Let your fingertips dance across the exposed skin, sending shivers down her spine. Whisper compliments in her ear. Tell her how beautiful she is. This isn't just about removing clothing. It's about creating a shared experience that deepens your connection and fuels the fire of desire. Number 3, teasing the inner thighs. This is a secret weapon, folks. The inner thighs are incredibly sensitive, and light strokes with your fingertips can send shivers down her spine. Watch her reactions and adjust the pressure based on her cues. Think of it like tickling a feather. The slightest touch can elicit an explosive response. Start with a playful graze, barely brushing the sensitive skin with your fingertips. See how she reacts. Does she lean in for more? Does a smile flicker across her lips? If so, you can gradually increase the pressure, tracing circles or slow lines up and down her inner thigh. But remember, be gentle and respectful. This isn't about overwhelming her, but about igniting a spark of curiosity and desire. Number 4, sensual lip brushing. Before diving into a deep kiss, start with a soft brush of your lips against hers. It's a delicious promise of what's to come and builds anticipation. Let your breath linger slightly for an extra layer of intimacy. Imagine a butterfly flitting its wings against her lips. A light, almost imperceptible touch that sets her heart racing. Let your lips linger for a moment, teasing her with the promise of more. Part your lips slightly, allowing your breath to warm her skin. This subtle interaction creates an electric charge, a yearning for the deeper connection to follow. The ensuing kiss, when it comes, will be all the more passionate for the careful build-up. Number 5, panty line play. Trace the edge of her panties with your fingertips. It's a provocative touch that creates a delightful mix of excitement and desire. But remember, be gentle and respectful. Let the anticipation simmer. Imagine yourself as an artist tracing the delicate outline of a masterpiece. Follow the curve of her panties with a light touch, sending a jolt of electricity through the fabric. Don't rush. Savor the anticipation in her eyes. As you explore the boundaries, watch for subtle cues of pleasure. A slight arch of her back, a deepening of her breath. This playful tease keeps her guessing, her mind consumed by the possibilities waiting just beyond the fabric. Number 6. The buttock caress. Now this area deserves some love too. Use slow circular motions with a focus on tenderness. It's a combination of comfort and arousal that deepens the physical connection. Imagine kneading dough with gentle care, creating a sense of warmth and security. Use slow circular motions to massage her buttocks, applying a gentle pressure that feels both comforting and arousing. Don't be afraid to vary the intensity, incorporating occasional squeezes to keep her engaged. Remember, it's not just about physical touch, but about creating a sense of emotional connection. As you explore this area, whisper sweet nothings in her ear, letting her know how much you appreciate her. Number 7. The neck nibble. Just below the ear is a super sensitive spot. Start with soft kisses and introduce gentle nibbles, gauging her reaction as you go. It's a playful exploration that adds a thrilling dimension to intimacy. Imagine yourself as a playful kitten, leaving a trail of affection on her skin. Start with soft kisses just below her ear, a place where the skin is thin and the nerves are close to the surface. Then, introduce a gentle nibble, barely grazing the skin with your teeth. Watch her reaction closely. A gasp, a shiver, a playful swat of the hand. This playful dance of touch and sensation adds a layer of excitement and intrigue to your intimacy. Remember, communication is key. If she seems uncomfortable, back off and shower her with kisses. Number 8. Kissing the back of the knees. This unexpected touch can be incredibly arousing. Begin with gentle caresses, then move to soft kisses. It shows you appreciate all of her, and the uniqueness of this touch will leave a lasting impression. Imagine yourself as a knight discovering a hidden treasure. The back of the knees is an often overlooked area, yet incredibly sensitive. Start by gently caressing the area with your hands, warming the skin and building anticipation. Then, surprise her with a soft kiss on the back of her knee. This unexpected gesture shows you pay attention to every detail of her body, that you find her beautiful in all her entirety. The tenderness of the kiss, combined with the novelty of the location, will leave her breathless and wanting more. Number 9. Fingertip drifting. This is a secret weapon for building desire. Imagine barely grazing her skin with your fingertips, sending tingles down her spine. Let your fingers wander slowly, creating a trail of anticipation across her body. Think of yourself as a feather floating on a summer breeze, leaving a trail of goosebumps in your wake. Start at a neutral point, perhaps along her arm or the small of her back. Let your fingertips dance across her skin, barely brushing the surface. Notice how her breath catches as you explore new territories. Linger on particularly sensitive areas like the nape of her neck, the inner wrists, or the calves. This isn't about a firm touch. It's about the delicate promise of what's to come. As you drift, pay close attention to her reactions. Does she lean into your touch? Does a smile play on her lips? These subtle cues tell you she's enjoying the exploration. Remember, the journey is just as important as the destination. By taking your time and focusing on the power of gentle touch, you'll create a tapestry of desire that leaves her wanting more. So there you have it, mind detectives. The 9 seductive touches guaranteed to leave her speechless. Remember, communication is key. Make sure she's comfortable and enjoying the experience. With these techniques in your arsenal, you'll be a master of seduction in no time. Now go forth and ignite some passion. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more mind-blowing content on how to navigate the complexities of human connection. See you on the next one.